737 MAX is unluckiest narrow-body aircraft ever? Or is it? MAX never get a perfect reputation for safety. And until right now, there is only MAX 8 and MAX 9 get certified, not for MAX 7 and MAX 10. Well, where's the problem? The problem is Boeing always delayed their first deliveries, like MAX 7 is planned to deliver it at 2022 and it's failed. This year our deadline for MAX 7 and MAX 10. If they cannot deliver it, their relationship with airline like Southwest will order huge amount of Max 7 Delta with Max 10 gonna be strained, and because of 2022 aircraft not certified must using ACAS from FAA